Good morning, students. This is your social study class now. Students, today also we will do very short type question answer and map work. On page number 19, map work, that is on 19. Let us start with very short type question answer, chapter climate. Okay, so the instruction is answer in one or two words. That is very short type question answer. Okay, answer in one or two words. Question 1. What word we use to describe the atmospheric condition of a particular day or of a very short period? The answer is weather. The answer is weather. Question number 2. Which word we use to describe the weather pattern of a place over a long period of time? The answer is climate. Listen the question. I am repeating. Which word we use to describe the weather pattern of a place over a long period of time? Answer is climate. Okay. Question number 3. Name two factors based on which countries of the world can be divided into different climatic zones. Answer is, you have to write two factors: location and surface relief. Number 4. In which part of Asia India is located? The question is, in which part of Asia India is located? The answer is South Asia. Number 5. In how many climatic zones India can be divided? In how many climatic zones India can be divided? Answer: 4 zones. Number 6. How many seasons are there in India? How many seasons are there in India? Answer: 4 seasons. Okay, mainly there are 4 seasons in India. Number 7. Name a state which experiences rainfall during winter. The question is, name a state which experiences rainfall during winter. Answer: Tamil Nadu. Question number 8. Which place in the world receives highest rainfall? Mount Sindram. Which place in the world receives highest rainfall? The answer is Mount Sindram. Okay. 9. What is hot and dry summer wind called? What is hot and dry summer wind called? Lu. L-W, Lu. Answer is Lu. Number 10. In which zone we find high temperature and low rainfall? In which zone we find high temperature and low rainfall? Answer is arid zone. Arid means dry. Question number 11. Which monsoon is called winter monsoon? You have to name the winter monsoon. What is the another name for the winter monsoon? That is northeast monsoon. Northeast monsoon is also known as retreating monsoon. Okay. Number 12. Which monsoon brings most rainfall in India? What is that? Southwest monsoon. The answer is southwest monsoon. Okay. So I have given you 12 very short type question answers. Students, you must write this very short type question answer in your classwork copy and then memorize it. Okay. So now come on to map work. Open page number 19. India annual rainfall. India annual rainfall is related to the chapter climate. Okay. First you go through the map work done in page number 18. Okay, go through that. That is done for you. And on page number 19, questions are given. You will locate this. According to the question, you have to locate this. What is the instruction in question number 1? On the outline map of India, show the following. Okay, I am adding any 2 states for each. Any 2 states for each. No need to locate or shade all the states. Okay, only 2 states you have to locate and shade it. One is state where annual rainfall is between 100 to 200. Number 1 is states where annual rainfall is between 100 to 200. The states are West Bengal and Bihar. You will shade it. Okay. Use the pattern that is given on page number 18. That will be convenient for you. Okay. So next one is state where annual rainfall is below 40. What is this? 100, 200, 40. What is its unit? Unit is mm. That is millimeter. Okay. Its unit is millimeter. Mm. Okay. So the second one I have done for you. For example, the second one I have done for you on this map. Okay, I will post the image also. That is what is the answer of 2 state where annual rainfall is below 40 mm? That is Western Rajasthan and a part of Punjab. Western Rajasthan and a part of Punjab. Okay, only 2 places you have to show. Number 3, states where annual rainfall is more than 200. What you will the answer, what you will write in answer? State where annual rainfall is more than 200. Meghalaya and Assam. Okay. So this you have to locate and shade these 6 states. Okay. And now come on to question number 2. What do you understand by the term tropical climate? Okay, so you will write here, okay, on the margin, because there is no space to write here, not space given. You will write on the margin. Tropical climate is a region where the mean temperature of the coldest month is greater than or equal to 18 degrees centigrade. What do you understand by the term tropical climate? Listen me. I am repeating. The term tropical climate is the region where the mean temperature, okay, average temperature, mean temperature means average temperature of the coldest month is greater or equal to 18 degree centigrade. Okay, I think you have understood. So this is the answer for your question number 2. So you will write on the on page number 19 only. Okay, so students, this is what for today. Complete your work today only and memorize this all. The class ends here. Good day.